Okay, TV Sony, TV Sony, LCD, division. Same Nippon name here. Now can press power to turn on the TV. Put TV under TV on the TV. Put back on TV. Please TV Samsung. Slow down quickly. Put back on TV. Bắn súng bên này rồi. Mission fail off the TV power. The TV will tap. Okay, can using your Google player and here some menu TV and the TV. Your out TV, you can show input the TV device, home cinema, power. Under restart TV, you can display. Okay, do not press display. Find volume up power. In the press for key server menu. Service. Now enter TV. Come back. Open here and the here display. Okay, it display and you can embed the graph on the power get 9 for all TV. Slow down quickly. Put back on TV and our hello TV Samsung and okay they'll get to your system. Okay to point. Okay. Turn on FM, USB, TV, DVD, CBD in service TV and menu and I want to put TV. Okay, there are no service. You can have to 10. Sony FSD one. The default is 14 invalid. The limitable you can do nothing. Okay. Okay, the band. Okay, then the one TV. Layer audio motor. The mono audio. The reduct. And there is the TV. Push back. Align. The push back là. Or like turn on the duct teeth. The teeth for TV. And power 2G. EG TV. Okay, the open. Or TV and 80. Okay, to review a TV. Okay, can how to use it again. How to get okay the volume. Do you want okay the volume bây giờ bắt đầu về the voice 7 the better S the setting the channel tomato TV two the TV can but do not in 50. Okay, the name for TV Tut color pack 16 D3 14. The subsea TV the color TV now beautiful and the color TV. Okay, can enter server more TV. You can take the service menu quickly. You can take in your the material. Slow down quickly. Push back on TV. Okay, the the TV can email and vitamin okay here the board version. Okay, they are nothing. Okay, then service menu. Okay, can over and setting 2G menu with the battery 10 2G room auto path click on cinema. One okay one thì tên nu dễ đó cái đồ one tên nổ VTV hình ta có pin. Okay, server menu on the Samsung TV. My ID TV the permanent TV and one power. Okay, you can see service menu on the PC TV. Okay, audio leg end. The TV very bright for TV and very bright and the bright for you. Okay. Okay, to turn on the light. Here the light. I had a deep by the light. Okay, power. The TV can be dark. Power again. The TV out. Giờ we can for TV. Now press the return to return the menu over. Okay. Really amazing. TV. Đi con